What's up? Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Today's video, like the title says, is a what I eat in a day at college and also as a type 1 diabetic. For breakfast, recently I have actually been loving avocado toast and scrambled eggs. A lot of the time over the summer and recently I've started adding bell peppers, onions, and then some sort of meat, whether that's like ham or salami. That's what I'm going to add to this. So it's kind of like a scrambled omelet thing. I don't know what the terminology would be for that, but look at that wrinkly vegetable. You can hear it sizzle. As the vegetable and meat start to cook before I put in the eggs, I'm probably gonna start on the avocado toast. All right, bread number 1 is done. I'm still not the best at cutting it open, but we'll see. Oh, not bad. I did pretty good there. Look at that shot. I am usually able to use half of an avocado for 2 slices. Seasonings, I'm going to use garlic, everything but the bagel seasoning, cayenne for the avocado toast. I guess I could do garlic salt. Like I just said, for the avocado toast, I will be putting on everything but the bagel seasoning, some garlic powder, and then I like to have cayenne pepper, or I like to use red pepper flakes. Here's my avocado toast. We're waiting for the eggs to be done. All right, so a decade later, it's now 12:15, and I started this at 11:45. I have my breakfast, which is really brunch. So here's my avocado toast, the eggs with salami, ham, and peppers, and I'm gonna eat this and enjoy it. Also, for the diabetics out there, I took 8 units of insulin for the 2 slices of bread, and then eggs and meat and vegetables really have like no carbs. We finished breakfast and now we're going to head to Trader Joe's to pick up a couple things because I'm out of avocados, and I don't know, I just need to get fruit because I love fruit, and it's hard to buy fruit because it just goes bad so quickly. And I also need to pick up a bottle of wine for dinner tonight. Not for drinking the bottle of wine, we're basting our steak with it tonight. We made it to Trader Joe's and there's definitely a line, so let's do this. We got all of the goods and then a couple things that like I definitely don't need but definitely want to try, so we might do a little taste test later of a few things, but my makeup's all off my nose from my mask, but it's fine. So we are on our way back from the grocery store, but we actually are stopping at Dunkin Donuts because I wanted coffee and I have a free coffee. So I'll show you guys what I got once he comes back with it, because I made Zach go get the coffee because I am parked very illegally at the moment. From Dunkin, my usual go-to order now, my boyfriend has been getting me into the cold brew coffee with 4 creams, 3 French vanilla, and I get it with less ice. I just got back from Trader Joe's, and so I figured I would do a Trader Joe's haul. First things first, this was not my purchase, but my boyfriend got me some flowers. The flowers are in the vase, and they look super pretty, so thank you, Zach. First up from Trader Joe's, this is like a half healthy grocery haul. I would say like 40-60. You can decide which part is healthy and which is unhealthy. I got some garlic flatbread because, as you guys can probably not see from behind me because it's blurry, but I wrote down I want to have flatbread sometime for dinner. So got some flatbread. Also for tonight, I picked up some lemonade, and then I also got some goat cheese for the cheese board tonight. And then I've seen Aspen over and some other people try the chocolate hummus, so I want to try that on camera to see if it's good, because I really don't like hummus that much. I love chickpeas, but apparently a lot of people say it doesn't really taste like hummus at all and you just taste the chocolate, so I'll be curious to try that. I also picked up another bag of riced cauliflower because I try not to eat rice, and I think it tastes just fine. Some broccoli because mine is going yellow. I also got some apples for my salads. And then I picked up a little baby watermelon. What?
Nothing.
Just slapping the watermelon. What's wrong with that? And then in the second bag, I got some fruit. So I have some blackberries here and then some new strawberries that hopefully don't taste fermented and hopefully don't taste like rubbing alcohol like the ones currently in the fridge because ew. I also picked up some carrots because my roommate and I go through these like no other, and no store has shredded carrots anywhere besides Trader Joe's. I also picked up some teeny tiny avocados. I like getting the small ones because I can just use one whole one for breakfast and then not have it get brown or anything if I put it in the fridge. Fridge. You heard that, right? There was like a voice crack in there.
There was a voice crack.
Yeah. I also got a tray of cheese for tonight as well. And then I picked up a bottle of California Cabernet Sauvignon. Can you say it, please?
Sauvignon.
Say it again. No, the whole thing.
Cabernet Sauvignon.
Oh, it's so sexy when he says it. We have this to base the steak tonight. So, $4 red wine. Just kidding, I don't drink. And then the last of my healthy thing is I got some teeny tiny potatoes just to add something to a meal because I feel like I only have vegetables and no like potatoes or starches, so have an air fryer and we'll use them. And then this is one of my favorite things from Trader Joe's. It's just hash browns. They're not healthy, they're just delicious. And I like having them in the morning because they taste like McDonald's hash browns and they're amazing. And then the last two things I got are absolutely not on the healthy list whatsoever, but hold on. If you have seen any of my vlogs, any food video, anything since like 2016, I love speculoos. It is a cookie butter. You can get it at Trader Joe's. I originally found it at a coffee shop in LA somewhere. My aunt in California always used to have it at her house and I was in love with it. So good. It's kind of like a peanut butter, but it tastes like gingerbread cookies essentially. Tiffany Ma and like a lot of other people have talked about these speculoos cookie butter sandwiches, and you guys are currently sitting on top of a container like this, but there's Oreos. So once the Oreos run out, I will be filling them with speculoos cookies, or I'll just hide them and keep them for myself because again, I love speculoos and I really want to try this. Maybe I'll try it now. And then because I kept walking, I found cookie butter speculoos ice cream that I am also very excited to try. Cookie butter, speculoos, please sponsor me. I love your stuff, it's amazing. Before I put everything away, I want to try these speculoos cookie butter. So it's a butter cookie. It kind of reminds me of a Girl Scout cookie. It tastes like a Girl Scout cookie with speculoos. I would like a little more speculoos in the middle of the cookie. I think I might have just grabbed one that was a little thin, but my hand's shaking. My blood sugar might be low. Can you see my hand shaking?
Yeah.
Pretty good. I also want to try this chocolate hummus as well. So I think I'm just going to dip it with a strawberry. Clean strawberry and chocolate hummus. Here's what it looks like. All right. I definitely get chocolate for sure. I'm not tasting hummus. The consistency is definitely not as smooth because, you know, it's ground up chickpeas. But if you want a healthier chocolate dipping alternative, I would recommend this. All right, let me figure out how to turn the dishwasher back on and let's put stuff away. Almost 5 o'clock. And neither of us have ate lunch because neither of us are really that hungry because tonight we are doing a steak dinner, which is gonna be really exciting. But for now, for an appetizer, I want to make a cheese board. If there is one thing that I have been doing nonstop throughout all of quarantine was making cheese boards. Insert pictures here. Crackers, cheese. I'm not gonna do it as extravagant as I normally do, but the cheeses that I love to use are Gouda, that's one of my favorites, and I also like to do goat cheese with this fig spread. Together they are so good. Goat cheese and any jam are delicious. And then for a dip, I love honey mustard anything, so we're gonna do that with some pretzels, and then I just have a variety of crackers to use. Usually Usually my cheese boards are a lot more fancy than this, but like I said, it's just 2 of us and we have a nice dinner, so we don't want to be too full. But here's what the cheese board looks like. So we have some different cheeses, crackers, berries, meat, you know. We got a little bit of everything. I feel like I have to do a taste test on camera. Just look how yummy this looks. We have a little Lunchable-esque cracker ready to go. You can't go wrong with cheese, you really can't. I'm going to enjoy my cheese board and Zach's gonna get started on dinner in like an hour, so I'll catch you guys then. I also have to mention I have refound my love for Crystal Light. My favorite is the cherry pomegranate flavor, and if you are over 21 and do like to drink, if you add vodka or Tito's or whatever to it, I hear it's amazing. To my cheese board. All right, well, that's all what's left of the cheese board, so I think we did pretty good. We are prepping dinner, AKA I'm gonna be doing one thing, opening the wine bottle, and Zach is gonna do everything else. Opa! Today's video is actually in collaboration with Zule, so they sent me a garlic press, and I freaking love garlic like no other. So when a recipe says 4 cloves, I do about 8. So I have my garlic here, and I'm just going to show you guys how I press my garlic. So for dinner tonight, we are making steak with sauteed onions and a bunch of seasonings that Zach is going to do. I'm just going to mince up the garlic. I've been testing this out for the past couple weeks and I love garlic. I have literally no complaints at all. This is an amazing product. It makes it so much quicker and more efficient in the kitchen. I don't want to like be chewing on garlic, so mincing it's definitely the way to go. So if you guys want your own garlic press or want to check out other kitchen products, I will leave a discount link down below for you guys to try out if you want this, or they have milk frothers and spatulas and all sorts of fun stuff. So make sure to check them out and let them know I sent you. And let's press some garlic. So I grew up knowing how to break open garlic is you use a knife, you bang it down really flat, and then it should just peel right off. All right, we have all of the garlic cloves naked and ready to go. Okay, so I am at the kitchen counter and Zach is in charge of dinner tonight. So usually for dinner, if you guys have seen any of my other what I eat in a days, I almost always do either a stir fry or a salad. Literally just watch any of my what I eat in a day videos. You're gonna see it being made. So since having a boyfriend, we have been more creative with our meals.
Boyfriend who can cook.
Yeah. Now that I have a boyfriend that knows how to cook even better than I do, I can just be a sous chef and watch.
I mean, technically sous chefs are supposed to be the ones cutting everything, but...
Yeah, I said I didn't want to cut the onions because I didn't want to cry. Look at that onion chopping skill. Oh, it got it. It's huge, but it fit right in. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Once again, thank you Zule for sponsoring this video. If you guys want your own garlic press or any other kitchen appliance, I will leave a link down below for you guys to purchase one. And let's just continue cooking because look at that. Amazing. Can we just appreciate these Costco steaks? Thank you very much. In case you guys want to recreate this, these are the seasonings that we're going to be using. So garlic salt, onion salt, and pepper.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah.
It smells so good in here, and we have so far not set off the smoke alarm, which is a good sign. Whew. Should I try it? No. 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 That's a no from me. Can you tell I tried the wine? This versus this. here is our dinner. We have the steaks, mac and cheese, corn. We'll do a cheers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, we're going to eat dinner and probably just hang out, maybe watch a movie. Thank you again for Zule for sponsoring this video. And again, they are linked down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.